Today, we're doing chicken skin chips with a nice easy dip. No oil, just salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and sour cream. Let's go. We got a bag of chicken skins here. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to put them on a baking sheet. Here's our baking sheet. Pull out your chicken skin. I like to put skin side down, and you could tell that because you could see a little bit where the feathers were. Put the feather side down. There will be lots of grease, but the first round should be the driest and crispiest. You just don't want it overlapping each other, but you can jam as much as you can on because it will shrink up like bacon. Okay, we do have our oven on 350. All right, wash your hands. Right now we're gonna make the simplest magic powder for anything you can ever use. Garlic powder, pink salt, and I usually use about equal parts. And black pepper. And this is really the magic powder that you can use to season anything you want. All equal parts. You know, you could even cut back on the garlic powder if you really didn't like it, but I like it all even. I'm not using any measuring, but you can really use anything you want. You could add curry to this, you could add cumin to this, you could add poultry spice seasoning if you really wanted to. The sky is the limit. Give it a healthy serving, you know? Don't be stingy. Before I was on the 12 bad foods, I loved Doritos. But if these are your chips, put the seasoning on. The salt and garlic will not kill you. Now that you have chicken skin seasoned, in the oven they go. I like putting them on the bottom for the first 20 minutes and then raise them up. Okay, we're gonna make a sour cream dip. It's separated a little, so I'll give it a little quick whippy whip. Okay, we are going to add some ingredients to make it a nice, simple, easy dip. Number one thing I love to add, a little paprika. I think it adds a smooth, smoky taste, mild taste to it. And I'm gonna add that's about a teaspoon. Let's go with 2 teaspoons. Next thing we're gonna add is a little heat, and this is chili powder. Only a tablespoon of this because it does bring more heat. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Make it 2 teaspoons, you know. Everybody likes a little bit of garlic. Of course, we're gonna add some pink salt. You could add a teaspoon, or I would do a tablespoon because I like the salt. Black pepper, about a teaspoon as well. Mix this together. And all these flavors. Now, some people might say it's a little thick. So, I always add just a touch of apple cider vinegar to give it that little tang. And I'd use about a cupful. Not much. Just a little cap. Mix this all in together. Has a little heat. I like it. Once you made your sauce, you can close it up. Just remember, as the days go on, it could get a little more flavorful and a little more bite from the heat mellowing into the actual sour cream. Been 20 minutes, so now we're moving it to the top rack if it needs to. So you can see there's lots of grease. It's starting to crisp up. You know what? Let's just keep it on the bottom because it's doing well. We'll keep it there and we'll add another 10 minutes. They've been in for a half hour. Ooh. So I like it, but I'm gonna do another 5 minutes. I might rotate my pan, seeing as it looks like that corner's a little hot. Yeah, I think 5 minutes. Bam. These are done. Got a nice crisp on them, don't want to burn them. Ooh, nice crispy. Let them just sit out. Relish. Watch this video next. If you don't know, we're on Instagram. You can ask us any questions that you want. And please, don't forget to check out our cookbook, Dr. Joe Wallach's Cooking Without the Bad Foods. No gluten, no oil. Available on Amazon. That's it for now. Till next time. Peace.